Okay, so part 3 of the install of a USB port, actually dual USB port, on a 2013 Fiat Abarth. As I mentioned earlier, you need to be careful that when you plug this in, it's not going to matter for the original fuse, but it will matter for the add-on fuse, because this leg right here is connected to the wire going out to power. If you inadvertently plug that leg, this one here, into the bus, then it will have constant power regardless if the fuse blows or not. Actually, the fuse would never blow because the power wouldn't be going through it. So you need to make sure that this is the leg that ends up on your bus, and this leg ends up going out to the device, or circuit if there's more than one device. But let me go ahead and I'll install this fuse. And first off, let me plug it in and show you what I'm talking about. This particular circuit is always hot, as I mentioned earlier. So fuse is plugged in now. My switch is off. I have no power here because when I get power there, the LED display will light up showing the voltage of the battery. And turn the switch on and still no power, so we're good. I'm going to pause the video for a second, put that fuse in, and we'll move on.